guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Really. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl, Beauty Queen. Today we're gonna be doing you know what it is? It's an unboxing. I can't wait to unbox it. So let's get started. I just got a knife. A phone stand. You all know this stand. This phone stand. This. Guess what this is? Guess what? I'm gonna be giving you 5 seconds to guess what this is. You're wrong. This is so soft. Oh, I love it. And I got this lamp. A sunset lamp. Wow. It's so pretty. I love it. Guys. So pretty. The other one is pink. No, this is I love this one. So cute. It can literally fit into this bag. Yeah, it's so not too big, not too small. I love this size. Guys, they literally sell everything. It came with a charger, that's a mini cord, and a mini brush. Choo choo choo. It's working. You can hear it, right? This came with the bag, like with the black bag. So you're gonna be putting it here. Genius. This should be another bag. Spreadsheet. This. Those mosquitoes are dealing with me. I hope this works. Oh guys, it's working. Can you see? Can you see the color? I don't know if you can see it. Are you seeing it? I can see it. And this. I have everything, guys. So this came with a mini purse. You can use this as your makeup purse, or you can use it when you're going to the, when you're going to the market. So guys, this one is a big one. Like, I said I love the spirit of unboxing. This is a big bag, guys. The package. Get ready to be sick of me, guys. This cute basket. So cute. And the last one is an S set. This is not expensive, guys. This is very, very affordable. Very nice. The color. Plucky. Guys, this is pretty. Yes, I'm coming. So guys, that's all for the videos. Bye. See you in my next